Okay, now for today's recipe, we're going to cook a chook. Everyone likes chicken. We're on a winner chicken dinner. Righto. First thing, number 20 chook. I'll dry my hands and just pat that chook down. Okay, that'll make it a bit better to stick our seasoning to. Now seasoning on this one, pretty pure and simple. You can see already. I'm going to smear it with a bit of Vegemite. Now I've got this great cast iron camp oven here. Okay, you won't find a better oven than this one. I'm sure you've heard me say it before. I take me Vegemite, nice big fistful, and all I'm going to do is wipe it over the chook. Look at that. So try and get an even coating all over the bird. Make sure you get the pass end's nose up and down his back there. And that one's ready now to go into the camp oven. So straight in onto a trivet, okay. About 3/4 of an hour, we'll come and check on that one. I reckon our chook will be fine and dandy. And you will be on a winner with your chicken dinner. What a beautiful result. Have a look at that for a dead chook. Wonderful. Get a look at that one.